Well, at Property Tribes, we're always on the lookout for things that make landlords smarter. So I've come across to the key tracker stand, and I'm joined by Andrew. Andrew, in a nutshell, what have you got here?
A very simple system that ensures the keys are always stored in exactly the right place, or if they're in use, you know exactly who has them. And whilst they're out and in use, nobody can take one key off the bunch. So the way it works is it seals the keys to a peg, doesn't hang them on a hook, seals them to a peg. To remove them, we have to put our own peg in, turn it, and that releases the keys. Now the peg won't come out till the keys go back. So the colour tells you which department has it, and the initials or the number on the end tells you which individual within that department has it. Now while they're in use, the seal keeps all the keys together, so nobody can take one off the bunch. And when they're finished, the number's engraved on the end, so it goes back into the right place. They can get their peg back and get another set of keys. Obviously, if they're allowed to have 3 or 4 sets of keys, they just have 3 or 4 pegs. So now the keys are always in exactly the right place, or you know exactly who has them.
Fantastic. So great for portfolio landlords, property managers, letting agents, anybody that's got a huge amount of keys to keep control of.
Anybody with more than about 20 sets of keys. Absolutely. It's completely modular, and we've seen systems with thousands of keys on, but the majority of systems have between 50 and 300 sets of keys.
Well, thank you for talking to Property Tribes TV. Thank you, Andrew.